Good morning, everybody. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today is the 4th. I am currently getting ready to head over to the beach all day. I'm wearing this super cute swimsuit from Shein. It's red, feeling festive. Wearing my Cubs hat. And yeah, I'm just packing up my bag and getting ready to go. So I'm gonna pack up all my stuff. I'm wearing my sunglasses. I'm wearing these ones from Sojo's. They're super cute. And then I'm gonna pack everything in my little Mickey Mouse bag and get on the road because it's like 45 minutes away. So yeah, but let's go to the beach. All right, guys, I changed my hair again because you know I always am changing my hair. This is the little Mickey Mouse bag that I'm bringing. It's so freaking cute. I have all my stuff in here, my sunscreen, the star of the show to get that beautiful tan, coconut oil. And I went to Chick-fil-A last night and got myself a salad so that I could have a salad on the beach today. So I had like a good lunch, and it's like no one else is gonna have Chick-fil-A today because it's Sunday. But yeah, so I'm just waiting for Brian to get to my house and then we're gonna go. We have made it to the beach. And my swimsuit is from Shein, and I'm gonna Shein, my glasses from Shein, and this hat is from Dr. We're here with Brian. Brian's sunscreening it up right now before we put on the coconut oil to get a nice tan. It's a perfect day, perfectly sunny. Beach isn't too crowded yet, so we love. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. Beach. There's like a little park back there. Cute. Beautiful day. Yeah, but once you get like really hot, it's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, it's really cool. The water's cold, but it will feel good once we start sweating bullets. We'll be fine. Yay! Hello, everyone. It's been a few hours since I have vlogged last. I'm currently sitting outside and everyone is like lighting off fireworks in the neighborhood. It's crazy. It's so loud. But I haven't vlogged since the beach earlier and I just was so tired. I came home and sat out in the yard and I just was relaxing and just laying out, and then I took a shower, and then now I'm just sitting outside watching the fireworks. It's kind of a boring 4th. I never really do much for the 4th. I don't know, I always kind of like wanted that whole like, let's go watch fireworks together. That was a huge one. Those are huge, huge fireworks. You guys can see they're like back over there. You can see. But I never really have like any good plans for the 4th. So we're just sitting outside listening to music, but I wanted to check in with you guys and just say hello. And I have off tomorrow, so that's a good thing. And here comes an airplane. But anyways, tomorrow I do have off of work. So I'm gonna do a lot of filming and stuff like that. So yeah, but happy Sunday, happy 4th of July. I hope you guys had a wonderful and safe holiday. Good morning, everybody. It is Monday, July 5th. It's the day after the 4th of July. I am up. I'm actually off of work today, so that is really nice. And I am heading over to the grocery store this morning because I didn't get to go yesterday. And I am then going to come home and film. I have like 4 videos that have to be filmed today because it's my day off and I have to get them done because I didn't do them on Saturday, which is my fault, but I just wanted to relax. I was so tired. And then yesterday I went to the beach all day and I just sat out and laid out and stuff, and it was just really, really nice, relaxing day. And then last night for fireworks, I just kind of stayed home, honestly, because I wasn't feeling going out, and I really didn't have any plans to go out. So anyways, we're gonna head over to the grocery store. We have to get some groceries. I need to get some stuff for my diet. I don't really want to say diet, but I need to eat healthier. I've kind of fell off the bandwagon, so I want to take this next month to really dedicate to losing at least 10 pounds if I can before I go to Vegas in a month and a half. So going to the grocery store, we're gonna film, and then we'll see what else this day brings. But wanted to update you. Hello, good morning. I hope you guys had a wonderful, happy, and safe 4th of July. And it's time to get these errands done. So, but first, you guys already know, Starbucks. So I just got back home from the grocery store, and I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. So from Trader Joe's, I got these cauliflower pizza crusts. I love these because they're pretty good with the calories and carbs and sodium. So I like to make my own pizzas with that. I also got a thing of the stuffed gnocchi, which it has tomato sauce and mozzarella. I love this. It's just like a quick little like healthier option instead of having pasta. Stuffed cauliflower. The next thing that I got is 2 packs of the Kung Pao tempura cauliflower. This stuff, you guys, is the best stuff. It literally tastes like Kung Pao chicken, and I'm obsessed with it, and I love that it's cauliflower. I try to incorporate vegetables as much as I can, so this one is so good. The sauce is a little bit spicy. If you're not into spicy food, you might want to use like your own type of like orange sauce or anything like that, but if you love Kung Pao chicken, you're gonna love this. And then I also got some shelled edamame because I love to have this for like a snack. I think it tastes really good, and we love edamame like a lot. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. And then in the checkout line, I saw these chili spiced pineapple. My gosh, these look so good. So from Aldi, I have these 2 bags, reusable bags that I always use. So I have this Italian salad mix. I usually get 2 of those because it just helps me make a really quick, fast lunch. I got some cubes, Colby Jack cheese. I love this little cube to bring as snacks. I also got some zucchini. My favorite thing right now is to grill it on the grill and then sprinkle a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top. It tastes so good. Try it if you haven't. I also got some blue cheese. I don't know why my camera is not focusing. I got blue cheese. I got some turkey bacon. Some light sour cream for when we make tacos. Some taco seasoning, the less sodium one. I got some frozen garden peas, some broccoli florets. I also got some steamed cut green beans. We have a turkey kielbasa sausage. I love to have this with like some vegetables, and it just tastes so good with a little bit of mustard. Another taco seasoning. I got fresh broccoli, which I love to have. And then I also got some turkey burgers. I love this brand. It's the Kirkwood brand at Aldi. Their turkey burgers are so good. So if you love a good burger but you don't want to eat red meat all the time, these turkey burgers are phenomenal. Okay, and then in this bag I just picked up some napkins. We have some strawberries, feta cheese, a bag of spinach. I also have some blueberries, bananas. I also picked up a dark coconut almond. I love these, they're so, so good. I have low carb tortillas, a flatbread, some Italian dressing, and avocados. Yeah, that is everything that I got from the grocery store. I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Actually, I'm gonna have to text my nail tech because my nail just cracked and I just got them done on Saturday, so. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff away. Okay, hi everyone. It is the end of the day, basically. Well, it's towards the end of the day. I just got out of the shower. I actually sat out and just relaxed for a bit after filming. I filmed 2 videos. I didn't film the 3rd one because I was done with filming. I was really, really hot, so I didn't want to film, but I just got out of the shower. I went ahead and put on lotion. I've been using this Nivea Essentially Enriched Deep Moisturing, Deep Nourishing Serum. It looks like this. This stuff gives you like that glow on your skin. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have it on. I love it. I'm obsessed. I'm also gonna put some product in my hair now. This is, you guys have seen me talk about this, the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. If you have wavy to curly hair, I highly recommend this product. It just helps like overall enhance your curls and makes your waves actually into curls. And I'm just putting this in my hair today because tomorrow he'll be like second day hair, and literally all I do is just like re-wet it. Just like lightly re-wet it. I don't like soak my whole head under the faucet or anything. I just kind of take the water and just do that. So that's just how I do my hair. I literally, one product, one and done. I have wavy to curly hair, and this just does it for me. So, and it smells really good. It's a coconut hibiscus smell. Very beachy, very summery. So I usually wear my hair like this mostly in the summertime because with the humidity, my hair just doesn't want to stay how it is because it just wants to be curly. These sections in the front here might be a little bit flat, but that's fine. You can also take like a towel or a t-shirt to get out the water, whatever you prefer. T-shirt's probably better, it's less damaging, but we just use the towel. I got this concealer in my BoxyCharm. It's the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand. I don't know if it's necessarily concealer, but I've been using it as concealer underneath my eyes, and I love how hydrated it is because I usually use the Shape Tape, and this dries me out so bad. It breaks up, and this one stays really hydrating underneath my under eyes. And then I've also been loving the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. I got this again in my BoxyCharm, and I'm obsessed. I love this stuff. It just leaves my skin looking very glowy and natural, and like honestly my skin is looking really good. I've been trying to keep up with doing my face routine and stuff like that, and I stick to minimum products because I don't want to use too many products. So I've been loving that. I've also just, I think that's basically everything that's like kind of new that I've been using. Not too many things. We love all of that, and yeah. So yeah, now I'm going to go ahead and edit this vlog as well as 2 other videos. I have a sit down video, update about Mirror Dry, and then I have a cup sheet try on haul that has to be edited. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go edit now and listen to music, so let's go. Okay guys, so I forgot to share with you guys, on Friday I got a package from P.O.'s, and it's basically like junk food made from peas. That's what it says on the box. I've been seeing these like actually a lot of places, so they sent over some good snacks to share with you guys. So I got just like a little clip for your chips, some stickers, and then these are all of the flavors that they have. So these are the classic cheese crunchy ones, which are like Cheetos, and then they have the ones that look like hot Cheetos. You guys know I love a good hot chip. They have zesty ranch P.O.'s. They have the crunchy rings, which these are supposed to be like the Funyun type ones, the ones that are like the spicy hot Cheeto ones. Then we just have classic like Funyun flavor. So we're gonna try these out. Let's try the we'll try the hot chip one because you guys know I love a good hot chip. Here's the bag of P.O.'s. These smell like barbecue chips, like a lot. They really smell like barbecue chips. They have a spice. I would say there's more of like an after spice. They're good. I would eat these. The calories are, for one serving, 130 calories. There are 12 grams of carbs, 4 grams of protein, and 180 grams of sodium. So if I was ever really like craving a type of hot chip, I'd probably grab these because they have a really good flavor. I like them. Hi guys. Editing Stephanie here. I just realized that I never filmed an outro for this vlog, so here we are. I'm editing this vlog right now, and I'm also in the process of cleaning out my closet, adding stuff to Poshmark, and just trying to clean up my space and just get rid of things so I can make room for some new things. And yeah, I just have like so many things that I don't wear anymore, or I just hold on to for what reason, I don't know. But yeah, so I just wanted to close out this vlog. I'm gonna have my Poshmark listed down below. I always do in all my videos. I get asked a lot of questions about that. It's always listed down below. Everything I post on there is either brand new or only worn once, or like I bought for a video and then never wore it again. So definitely check it out if you're in the hunt for some new clothes or anything like that. I do have a ton of stuff on there. But yeah, so I'm just gonna close out this vlog because it's a pretty long one already, and I'm going to get ready to start a new vlog. I'm repping the motherland today because the big game is on tonight against England, so go Italy. If you guys enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I post videos 2 times a week here on my channel, so definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next video. And I will see all of your beautiful faces in my next video, and remember to never stop dreaming. Bye!